Introducing first, fighting on the blue corner. This man is a Waggle Photo practitioner and a fighter. This is his debut fight. He says 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing in at 140 pounds. Out of Agapito del Rosario, by way of Hidden Blade Mixed Martial Arts, Muhammad
So this two fighter is their Wego Todo debut.
And introducing his opponent, fighting on the red corner. This man is a Wego Todo practitioner and a fighter. This is his debut fight. He says 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing in at 140 pounds. Out of Capo Oriental, by way of Dojo de Cañonero, Dennis the Cannon!
So Dennis Cañonero is from the Dodo de Cañonero, Davao Oriental. Exciting fight.
And this bout is brought to us by Chewy Vicious.
The Canon versus the Fearless.
Chewy Vicious.
Brown girl in charge, Juvie.
Here's Juvie Valdez opening the first round of Wego Todo bout number 10 here in Theodore Events Place at Marikina City. With Muhammad Sabay on blue corner against Dennis Cañonero on the ring. Featherweight bout of Wego Todo.
Special thanks to our sponsor, US Navy, Theodore's Events Place, Velvet Studio, Senior Green, international provider of our championship belt tonight, Barangay Fortune, Kapitan Paeng, Chope. So this is gonna be the first round of Wego Todo. So judges are ready. Fighters, I think you're ready. Round number 1. Latayan na.
But in the first round, they touch sticks.
Whoa, good exchange.
Early exchange here on both gentlemen here at first.
Look at them. They look like a veteran Arnisador. Whoa, nice
Very
exchange.
early exchanges here.
Attempting a takedown. Another shot from the right and left stick. So this is a Wego Todo fight.
Good kick there from Muhammad Sabay.
You can hear the crowd. They're very alive. Good exchange. Striking in the tie. Inside tie.
Just missed with that one to Muhammad Sabay.
Oh,
This is that push
attempting
kick.
for
After
push
those
kick.
Good hit there from Muhammad Sabay.
Another hit
Natigay from
on
Cañonero.
the legs. Whoa. They're using their stick as like a tie kick. Whoa. Good hit in the face. Good kick
Good kick
inside the
there.
body. Another shot in the body. Oh, I think I'm seeing a latay here in the body of the red corner. Whoa. Good knees. So let's see their paint tolerance in this game. Oh, the red corner dropped his baston. Let's see how the blue corner protect the baston so that he won't get it. Oh, attempting a takedown. Takedown from the red corner.
Good takedown there from Dennis. Got 1 minute on the clock here, the first.
Let's see what happened on the last 49 seconds.
Dennis trying to take the center of the cage with Redonda.
Whoa.
Will be cage there.
Oh, he's trying to. Whoa.
Good hit there from Sabair.
Bro, he's just trying to get his stick. I love it. I love the adrenaline. Last 20 seconds on this round. Whoa, push kick.
Good leg kick there from Dennis Quinonero.
If I were the judge, it's hard because they're both
Ten.
actively responding on the strikes. Whoa. Good dodge. Oh, time. So that's the round one, everybody.
And the first round here of Fuego Todo bout number 10.
We're not yet on the exciting part. It's just the 10th bout, everybody. So it is going to be a single baston on the round 2. Again, special thanks to Fab, Printline PH, Stick Arnis, Joker, Greatest, Amore, FHB, Tactical, Payantog, and Barangay IVC. We're here enter the doors, Theodore Events Place, for this amazing and cold venue. Thanks to Velvet Media for our media setup, photography, video, and all. Special thanks again to Senior Greens International, the not only one provider of our championship belt for tonight. Round number 2.
Round number 2 here in Fuego Todo. Bout number 10 with Muhammad Subair against Dennis Quinonero and Latayan na.
You can hear the audience. They're so supportive. Whoa.
Barely missed with that one from Dennis Quinonero.
Oh,
Exchange
nice
there.
exchange. Strike in the body, kick in the body. Whoa, another exchange. Oh, a turning but hit in the body. You can see the body of Dennis has a latay.
You can see the mark of those lashes
Yeah.
from Muhammad Subair.
Whoa. Good inside kick smash by the stick.
Good
So
strike
that's
there.
how Fuego Todo works. Oh, a disarm and another takedown by Dennis. The cannon. Okay, good. I think they're good. Strike again, buddies. Whoa.
That's a good solid shot from Dennis.
You can hear that. Switching, changing stance.
They're trying to feel each other out here. First,
Whoa.
there Jason Muhammad.
Whoa.
Takes-
Whoa, takedown.
and he
Another
got it.
takedown by Dennis. Oh, that's a warning, I think. Fight. Round 2 again. Still have 1 minute and 20 seconds left.
Barely missed the
Whoa.
one. Good
Another
little exchange
good-
there from Muhammad Subair.
Good strike in the inside kick. Look at how aggressive is the red corner. Oh, good latay here. Attempting,
It's all exchanges there.
whoa, knees, but it actually a takedown to Dennis. Good takedown there, Muhammad, the fearless, in the blue corner. It's a. Mhm. Whoa! A good strike. And the arm. Imagining the strike. Oh, good. Good knees to the body by the Fearless. Whoa, attempt of takedown by Dennis. Let's see if it goes successfully. A clinch fight here. Oh, time. There you go, everybody. That's the second round of the 10th bout. So we proceed to the third round, MMA. The most awaited one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are down to witness the third and final round.
Third and final round. Look at that exchange and high knees. A jumping knees to the body by the Fearless. Good exchange to the body. That is the most highlighted one. But Dennis was able to have the takedown there on that round. There you go, Trisha. Our run girl for the third round, Trisha. The stunning, beautiful lady. So third round, look at that body. You can see the marks of the stick on the body. Can you imagine that doing a Wego Todo on a live stick? What we can get more with this one. Okay, third round. So let's see. Let's see if those wrestle thing and takedown will work in this round. Whoa, good attempt. Whoa, I think it's a guillotine. Is it the tap or not yet? Oh, oh, nice. He was able to escape from that guillotine choke. Okay, good pressure by the Fearless in the blue corner. No hammer, spare. Is it a reverse? Oh, small punch in the faces. Look at that. Good pressure. He's doing it slowly but surely. He's trying to be in the side control, but the cannon won't let that happen. So another smashing in the face, a little bit smash, and the body smashing the body exchange. Whoa. Oh, what's that? They're using their chain. But yeah, it's legal. So you can see here a good pressure by the cannon. He's striking control. Oh, I think it's a reset. Up and fight. Another attempt of takedown, but the blue corner was able to underhook, but still a takedown. But not totally successful. Oh, good. A takedown by the Fearless. But the Ghana is holding his neck and trying to have the guillotine choke here. He's holding his feet, trying to escape. It's not yet secured. Small punches. The face is able to escape. So another control in the ground. doing a side control, but the Ganon didn't want it to get it. Just trying to reverse it. Oh, small punches in the body. A reverse. Okay, it's a time. That's the round number 3, everybody. Bout number 10. Who you got? Is it the Ganon or the Fearless? Let's go with the judges' scorecards. Look at that, buddy. It has a mark of the stick. So imagining that in the pro level, they're using, or Wego Todo is using a live stick. Can you imagine that on live stage? So they're using a padded stick here, but you can see the marks on their body. So that's how Wego Todo more interesting. So thanks to US Navy, Eudorus Events Place for this amazing place. Velvet Media, Sinner Green, of course, our international provider of our championship belt for this evening. Barangay Fortune, Kapitan Paeng Tiope, Fab Printline PH, Stick Carnes, Joker, Greatest Amor, FHB Tactical, Payantog, and Barangay IVC. Special thanks to those. So I think they're computing the score on this bout number 10. So I'm seeing here the presence of Mr. Fritz Biagtan on the area. So let's go to the judges' scorecard. Will be announced by Yuri, the amplified man. So after this fight, we go to the co-main event and the main event of the Wego Todo. Let's go to the judges' scorecard first.
We go to the judges' scorecard for decision. The judges score 29-28, 30-27, 30-27. Declaring the winner by unanimous decision.
It's a unanimous decision.
The Fearless Mohammed.
So we have the Fearless here in the blue corner. He was able to secure the win in this bout. Congratulations. So the award will present by Mr. Fritz Biagtan.
And to send the certificate of recognition and the medal is Mr. Fritz Biagtan.
So once again, winner by unanimous decision, Muhammed Subair, the